Hey everyone, welcome back to the O2B Technologies channel. If you're running an e-commerce store, a warehouse, or even a retail outlet, one of the biggest nightmares is inventory mismanagement. Today, we're unpacking how Odoo's real-time inventory sync keeps your business running like clockwork, with zero errors, zero delays, and 100% visibility. Real-time inventory sync means your stock levels are automatically updated across all channels, website, point of sale, warehouses, as soon as a sale happens or stock moves. Odoo uses automated triggers, called rules and schedulers, that update stock the moment something changes. For example, a customer buys online stock reduced instantly. You receive new inventory quantities updated system-wide. A return is processed, inventory auto-adjusted. Have multiple warehouses or sales channels? No problem. Odoo tracks stock per location and ensures every channel, whether it's Shopify, Amazon, or your retail store, gets accurate, up-to-date numbers. Without real-time sync, you risk overselling, shipping delays, lost customers, wasted time on manual updates. With Odoo, you get accurate stock data, faster fulfillment, happier customers, less stress. Want to go a step further? Odoo can forecast demand and automatically reorder when stock runs low, so you stay ahead of the curve. If you're serious about scaling efficiently, Odoo's real-time inventory sync isn't just a feature, it's a lifeline. No more guesswork, no more stockouts, just smooth, synced operations. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and comment below if you've had inventory challenges. We'd love to hear your story.